Picture this. It's Christmas Eve. The lights are glowing, the music is playing, and you're surrounded by rolls of paper, scissors, and tape. But instead of joy, you're stressed. The paper keeps tearing, the tape sticks to your fingers, and no matter how hard you try, your gifts end up looking like a crumpled mess. Now imagine, what if I told you that with just a few clever hacks, you could wrap gifts so beautifully that people would actually hesitate to open them? Yes, these are tricks professionals use, and today I'm revealing them all. Before we dive in, make sure to hit like, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and turn on the bell icon because these hacks will transform the way you wrap gifts forever. Why gift wrapping matters more than you think. We often think wrapping is just a cover for the actual present, but the truth is, wrapping is part of the gift. That first impression, the joy, the surprise, the excitement, begins the moment someone sees your package. Think of it like this. Would you rather receive a crumpled, taped-up box or a clean, stylishly wrapped one with ribbons that sparkle? One feels rushed, the other feels like love, care, and thought. That's the power of wrapping done right. Hack 1. The diagonal technique. This is the secret pro wrappers swear by. Instead of trying to cover every side with paper and ending up short, place your gift box diagonally on the wrapping sheet. Suddenly, the corners align perfectly, and you use just the right amount of paper. Not only does it look neat, but it also saves time, and once you master this, you'll never go back. Hack 2. Double ribbons. Wow. A single ribbon is nice, but pros add dimension. Use 2 contrasting ribbons, maybe red and gold or silver and blue. Cross them in the middle, tie them together, and let the colors pop. It instantly transforms a plain box into something extraordinary. Here's the best part. It looks fancy, but it only takes 30 extra seconds. Hack 3. The bag transformation. Have an awkwardly shaped gift? Don't fight it. Use a simple paper bag, but here's the twist. Fold the top neatly, punch 2 holes, and thread a ribbon through to tie it shut. Suddenly, your plain bag looks like a chic boutique package. Fast, stylish, and perfect for last-minute wrapping emergencies. Hack 4. The fabric wrap. 2 gifts in one. Why limit yourself to paper? Try wrapping with fabric, scarves, tea towels, even festive cloth squares. This Japanese-inspired method, called furoshiki, is eco-friendly, elegant, and endlessly reusable. Imagine giving someone a book wrapped in a scarf. It's not just thoughtful, it's unforgettable. Hack 5. Add a natural touch. Professionals know that details matter. Slip a pine cone, cinnamon stick, or a sprig of evergreen beneath your ribbon. It takes only seconds, but gives your gift that holiday magic. And the scent? Pure Christmas. Hack 6. Newspaper chic. Yes, newspaper, but not sloppy. Choose pages with bold typography or comics. Wrap neatly, tie with twine, and suddenly you've got a vintage, eco-chic vibe. It's cheap, fast, and surprisingly classy. Hack 7. Pre-cut sheets and assembly line. Here's the ultimate pro secret. Instead of wrapping one gift at a time, cut multiple sheets of paper in advance. Line up all your presents, then fold, tape, and finish in batches. What used to take hours now takes minutes, and it feels almost effortless. The 2 gift givers. Imagine 2 people on Christmas Eve. The first is rushing, cutting uneven paper, struggling with tape, frustrated as midnight approaches. Their gifts end up wrinkled, uneven, and sloppy. The second uses these pro hacks: diagonal folds, double ribbons, natural touches. Within minutes, every gift is wrapped, sparkling, and ready. When family and friends see them under the tree, there's genuine awe. Which one would you rather be? Wrapping is an art of love. Gift wrapping isn't about perfection, it's about thoughtfulness. With just a few simple tricks, anyone, yes, even you, can wrap like a pro. So this holiday season, don't stress. Don't fight the tape or waste hours. Instead, remember these hacks and transform every gift into something unforgettable. Because sometimes it's not just the gift inside, but the way you present it that leaves the biggest impression. If these holiday gift wrapping hacks inspired you and you're ready to wrap like a pro, make sure you hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community because gifts are meant to spread joy. And with these hacks, you'll spread even more magic this holiday season.